Bentley Belfast is delighted to offer this stunning 2017 Bentley GT V8S. This car is presented in Hallmark Grey with the Beluga Gloss styling kit. You have the stunning 21-inch Mulliner directional spoke alloy wheels, part of the car's Mulliner driving specification. This is a one-owner vehicle. It has a fully documented Bentley service history from ourselves. We have the full Beluga hide interior, complemented with the piano black veneer. This car also features the contrast stitching in linen. This really brings out the handcrafted feel of this Bentley's interior. Additional options include sports exhaust, comfort seats for driver and passenger, which are heated, ventilated and have a built-in massage function. We have our heated steering wheel with the hand cross stitching, again in contrasting colour, reversing assist camera and storage case. The car's covered just 7,951 miles and is sold with a 12-month Bentley pre-owned warranty. This car also features the name for Bentley Hi-Fi system, which really is stunning. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on our 2017 Bentley GT V8S. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a test drive in the car, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you once again for watching.